JD Tools here. Today I wanted to do a quick video on the Klein Tools dual voltage tester. I've had this tool for going on about 4 years. I use it all the time and I find it extremely handy. If you're a homeowner and you are wanting to replace a fan, light fixture, or a receptacle in the house, you want to make sure that all the breakers are off and you want to double check for power. This tool is so handy to have, and I'm going to be going over how I use it here. I have it on the blue here. It's got a blue and a green, and I like to have it on the blue. And let's say, for instance, if I'm gonna be working on something here or doing any electrical work or anything, I just clip this on my shirt pocket right here, or you can clip it in your jeans or whatever. It's got a heavy duty clip. I found this to be extremely durable, and you can see it beeping, and pretty much a solid red beep. That's telling you that there's power there. Now when you get close, it'll start letting you know that there's power there. As you get closer and right up on it, it will let you know that there's power there. So just a quick video on this. You can stick it in light sockets as well too, to see if you got power in certain sockets, like so. So I just find this tool extremely handy. A lot of times what I'll do is I will double check with my voltmeter just to make sure. But this is just a handy tool to have whenever you're working on stuff. You just want to make sure that there's no power, and I would highly suggest this. But anyways, just a short video on it. If you wanted to buy this, I will leave a link in the description box below, and you can buy this on Amazon. Highly recommended. Another great product by Klein Tools. Thank you for watching. JD Tools again here.